Okay. Rinku Mama.
Fat.
यार ये कितना बुरा था, पापा को बताऊंगी.
अरे लेकिन अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही.
Hello friend, we gates. Welcome back to my channel. So again we are back with my cousin Chintu. Okay, I mean Paras. His real name is Paras. Hi Paras.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine.
How are you feeling? You're back on my channel one more time.
Very nice.
Okay. So if it's very nice, I guess you should be happy, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So I don't know why does it happen and how does it happen. So like he's all excited to come back, to come back on the video. But when he actually have to start speaking,
I'm very nervous.
okay, so coming back to the topic, today we are going to make a video, okay, wherein I will give him some random words in German and then he has to guess, okay, the meanings. I won't be giving too tough, okay, the words would be somewhere related to English so that it gets better or easy for him to, tell the meanings, okay, and it's like really, random video. Okay, we have not thought of the words. I didn't give him any time to maybe see see for the words. So let's see how does it goes. Okay, so now are you excited or are you like nervous? So it's not an exam, right?
Yeah. Yep. यप बोलूँगा मैं. Yep.
Okay.
क्या बोलूँ?
Okay, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first word which I'm giving it to you, okay, I also have the words written with me so that he can see the words as well. The first word is Das Gift. Das Gift. It's this thing. What is the meaning of this word in English? It's a German word, Das Gift.
Giving gift.
No. Any other option? Any other answer?
No.
Okay, so gift actually means poison in German, and in English, gift means the present. Yeah, so like I'm like, so that's why I've like chosen the words which are like very different. For example, they are exactly word to word same as you can see in the subtitle. Das Gift and gift. The spellings are A to Z same, but then gift in German means poison. Yeah, so never say that you want to gift something. Yeah, you want to gift. As in, don't use the word in German because then it means poison. Okay, so the next one is Das Kind. Das Kind. Can you see the second one? This one.
Be kind.
No. It's something related to
It.
what?
To be kind.
No. Chintu, khul ja.
It means be kind.
No. It's not be kind. Okay, so I'll give you a hint. It's something related to you, like you and Pari. What are you guys?
Siblings.
Okay, what are you?
Brother.
Okay, and
Sister.
तो सिस्टर है.
नहीं. Brother हूँ.
हाँ.
Male. Boy.
More. That's kind. You remove one word and you get the word in English. Kind में से एक अल्फाबेट हटाएगा तो जिसका आंसर मिल जाएगा. KIND. एक अल्फाबेट हटाएगा, इंग्लिश का वर्ड बनेगा, आंसर मिल जाएगा. जो तू है.
Ind.
Ind.
Kin.
Remove N. Kid. So kind means child. Yeah, it means child. Ind. Okay. So the next one is farter. They are farter. The third one.
Fat.
No. Okay. Rinku Mama.
Fat.
यार ये कितना बुरा था, पापा को बताऊंगी।
अरे लेकिन अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं।
क्या? जब वही बोलना तभी बोल रहा था।
फैट फाटर
एग्जैक्टली, दे फाटर।
फाट
मैं बोल रही हूँ रिंकू मामा, तू कह रहा फैट। रिंकू मामा क्या है तेरे?
फादर।
तो कंफ्यूज क्यों? हाँ, तो देयर फादर इज फादर।
ओके
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 ऑल गुड।
यस।
पापा को वीडियो दिखाऊंगी।
ये कट कर देना।
नहीं,
एक मिनट।
that's very well. The mutter. The mutter.
दी मोटर मदर।
Oh yeah. Perfect. Fast. What is fast?
फास्ट
No.
ब्रेक।
Breakfast. No. It's like lagbag. What is lagbag in English? Lagbag.
ऑलमोस्ट।
Yeah. So fast means almost. Yeah. Fast means almost. The next one is this one. They're brief. They're brief. What do you think? What is their brief? Khat. Khat khat.
लेटर।
Yeah. I mean these are some words which are like not pretty easy to identify. I know. Okay. What is hell? What is hell?
हेलन। सॉरी।
Helen?
हेवन।
No. What do you think? How does this room looks? It's an adjective.
गुड।
Thank you. And
ब्यूटीफुल।
वो तो मैं हूँ. Bright. Bright.
ओह राइट।
Yeah. So hell means bright. Yeah. And hell is like hell. You know what hell is in English, and in German hell means bright. Okay. Now we have not. What is not?
नो।
No. The not. The not.
नॉटी।
No, I'll give you a heavy Hindi word. Let's see if you're able to get guesses. Apatkaleen, if we say that. Apatkaleen. Even I'm not right if it's apatkaleen. I might, maybe I'm pronouncing it this wrong. Under what under? It means emergency.
हाँ इमरजेंसी।
चलो कुछ फन नहीं आ रहा यार.
क्यूब सॉल्व करूँ फन आ जाएगा।
क्या?
क्यूब सॉल्व करता हूँ।
ठीक है लिया. उधर दिख नहीं रहा होगा कैमरा में, ऊपर करना पड़ेगा.
अब
ये तो नहीं. अभी what did you do this?
स्क्रैम्बल्ड।
Okay. Scrambled egg. Go. Yeah, go. Okay, so now when will you try to solve it? Oh, so you're solving it, okay?
यार रुको।
Your hand moves so fast. I guess we're almost there. Wow, can you just show us? उठना नहीं. Okay, so it's, as you can see, I guess he didn't even take a minute. I'm not sure, maybe I'll just, while editing, we'll count how much seconds he took, but definitely not a minute. And you first scrambled it.
Yeah.
But like, how do you do it? No, you don't have to show. How do you do it so fast?
I just practice it.
Oh, practice. What will you karo? Okay.
Practice.
Okay, we can keep it aside. Now coming back to, we are left with a few more words. They are rock.
If it's a man. Okay. The rock.
They are rock. What do you mean by they are rock? It's there. They are rock.
The rock.
Okay, just a hint. It's a dress which females wear.
Skirt.
How do you know?
Really?
Yeah.
I just guessed.
Wow. Next we have das bet. Very easy.
Das bet.
Das bet.
Belt.
Bed.
Bed.
Okay. Then lider. What do you mean by lider? Maybe lider.
Ladder.
No, not ladder.
Liar.
No. So lider means unfortunately. So as you can see, there are a lot of words in German which looks like English, as in the spellings are almost or exact same, but the meanings are like opposite. Yeah, it's completely different. You cannot even imagine that. So you see, I just wanted to tell you there are a lot of words in English and German which are same, but the words are like opposite. So I hope you had fun watching this video. We really had fun making this one. What about you, Chintu? Faras.
Yeah, I also have.
लोगों को लगता है कि मैं बड़े दिनों ज़ुल्म करती हूँ तो हंसता तो है नहीं वीडियो पे
गोभी इतना वो ब्लूपर्स में डाल दो ना.
Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you all are staying safe. Okay, so take care till then.
Cheers.
Cheers.